Welcome! In front of me is an Xbox Series X, as you can probably gather by the box in front of me. And today I will go for unboxing. So this is the 1TB SSD version. So let's pop it open. Now let's see how to pop it open. Looks like there's some sticker right over here. We also have at the back a game that hasn't been released and probably won't be for some time longer. So I'm not sure why they advertise it on the box, but whatever. So as you can see, there are the stickers. So let's just pop them open. There we go. Okay, so I guess now I can just flip it over like so and see what we get. I have to say that is actually a fairly nice looking unboxing experience. Most certainly better than the PlayStation. I don't say that to pick a side, I'm just kind of saying it because it looks kind of like you're getting something cool inside, like it's a treasure chest almost, if you know what I mean, the way you unpack it. Now, because I wouldn't fit it on the camera, I do it sideways, but I assume you'd normally get it like this, and that makes it so much nicer. So yeah, just move it to the side and actually take out whatever is inside. So we got the console itself, which has its weight for such a small package, honestly. Then inside we get some paperwork. Nothing really interesting, I would say. So whatever, drop it inside. Then in here, I presume we will have all the cables that we need for the console. So there's the power cable. Now this is the European plug, if you're wondering. Then we got HDMI cable. Obviously the controller. See if I can open it up. There we go. So there's the controller. Now obviously you can use the controller also with your PC if you wanted to, so that is really nice. I always like that about the Xbox controllers. And it looks like, yep, those are the batteries as well. So no, it is not a chargeable thing, so you do have to put your batteries in here. And the ones that come provided with it are not, I believe, non-rechargeable, so probably better that you get ones that you can recharge. That will help you out a lot in the long run. Speaking from experience, of course. Then we got some instructions in here, and that's about all we get in here. So you know what, let's close this out. There we go. Put it all to the side. Move these, and let's get the console itself. So it has this, just as you can see, power your dreams sticker. Let's just take it off like so. Now it also just normally comes off. Can I like unpack it? It looks like it just taped up with the Scotch tape. So you can simply remove the Scotch tape. There we go. And let's set it up. Voila. Now obviously you have some grill up here with this blue color to it. If you move it to the side, almost looks like it's almost glowing. Then if we set it right here, you can see we have, sorry for my head popping in there. So we have the CD and a couple buttons, so eject, power, USB. Then if we flip it to the back, we have a couple more USBs, HDMI, some extension, Ethernet port, and just the power. And that looks like it's about all we get here. Now we can also set it to the side based on these rubber feet, so we just kind of like place it like this. And obviously, in my opinion, this looks a little bit better than the PlayStation. PlayStation looks a little bit more futuristic. Well, this is something that would fit probably easier in most TV setups, where it's just like a box basically. It has really defined shape, as you can see, just a literal box, and it looks fairly, I would say, minimalistic, apart from the color right here, the green tint to it, which on the camera it's not very visible because of the camera position, but if you're like standing like I am, looking at it from a side angle, you can clearly see the green tint to it. And yeah, so actually I think I was wrong about one thing. The power key is right over here. So this is the key, and I believe this is for pairing, this button right over here. And honestly, there's not much more to say about this. It's just a console. Now we'll be recording more videos about it on the channel, with it actually being on. But this is just a simple unboxing. And yeah, so not much more to say. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.